How do you know him?
It's her grandson. There's a black light back there that she says belongs to him.
Ma'am? Okay. Is the door unlocked?
Is that gun loaded?
It's unlocked. Okay, so
Let's get that gun out of play before we do anything.
move the gun to the at least to the trunk. And then we'll do on 3. We'll just open that door and this door at the same time.
I'm gonna have come over to you.
Yeah, just go figure. You have to probably reach in. Leon, wake up, buddy. Wake up, man. Keep your hands up. Wake up. Sheriff's office.
Hey, okay, why you shining the light in my face?
Wake up, buddy. Put your hands up so we can see them.
I'm saying, why y'all shining
Put
the
your
light in
hands
my
up
face,
so I can
man?
see them.
What's going on?
I'll talk to you in a second. Step out.
What's going on? You got the lights in my face.
Step
Get the
out, man.
lights out my face, sir.
Step out.
Can you get the lights out my face so I can see what's going on?
Hey, Leon.
Sir, can you get the
Here,
lights out
Leon,
my face,
step
sir?
out. Just,
I'm asking you, please,
They're out of your face. Step out.
my face so I can really see what's going on.
they're not in your face.
What's going on, sir? You still finding the lights? What's up? Why are you finding the lights?
Leon, step out of the car.
What is going on?
Leon, step out. Step out or we're going to pull you out.
I have my sign, sir.
Step. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Ceasefire! Ceasefire! HQ, shots fired by police. Shots fired for police. I've been hit. Start rescue 1068.
Good, good.
I don't know.
Hey, come to me.
Leon, step out of the car.
Leon, step out. Step out or we're going to pull you out.
Step. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Fire! Ceasefire! HQ, shots fired by police. Shots.
I have my sign, sir.
Step. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.